Minister. Mandri Sahab.
With your kind permission, may I only invite the attention of the government and the House only on one legal angle, no speech, only one legal angle of this bill.
Please, sir.
If you kindly permit.
I love.
Sir, in the statement of objection reasons, it has been stated that Section 6 of the Act provides that all wages shall be paid in current coin or currency notes or in both. However, proviso to said section enables the employer to pay the wages to an employee either by check or by crediting the wages in his bank account after obtaining his written authorization. But the amendment that has been made here in Section 6, there is no mention about the written authorization by the employee. Normally, the employees, they render service, and in lieu of that, he gets the wage. So, without his written authorization, which was earlier in the proviso of the Section 6, this has been deleted. So, the object of this amendment is not only to change from currency or coins and only through bank checks. It has also deprived the workers of his legitimate written.
Maybe an omission. Minister will react.
So I am inviting the attention of both the government and this House.
Minister will react. Mandri Sahab. Inka bhi
Honorable Vice Chairman,
reply
sir.
then. Give the reply to that also. Okay.
Honorable Vice Chairman, sir. First of all, the 14 members, those who have spoken about this amendment bill of Payment of Wages Act, I first of all compliment all of them and I thanks on behalf of myself, and I am keenly observed the very interesting or very commitment to the rights of the workers and welfare of the workers. All the members, I respectfully submit the House that the same as which you are sensitive or which you are very welfare minded toward the workers, my government led by Narendra Modi ji is very sensitive toward this poor working labor. For that only we have got that vision. That's why the Prime Minister said, Shramayeva Jayate. We feel that our worker is not only a worker, we feel that Shrama Yogi, and that he is Rashtra Nirmata. That's why we have got very sensitive toward the workers' issues. And this amendment, the main purpose of the amendment is the exploitation of the workers is going on. Regarding the payment, minimum payment, and also cutting the payments, and there is no transparency, and there is no proper functioning. So that's why we have ensured the payment of this statutory minimum wage also. And particularly I am stressing that all your members, which you are all interested, compliance of the social security. Compliance of the social security is very, very important, which later on I will explain first within few minutes. But this only the very idea of this Payment of Wages Act. Regarding the members, they were expressing that why this has been brought through the ordinance. Why it has been brought through the ordinance route. I only humbly submit to you that while I already on the Lok Sabha, I introduced the bill, and both the parliaments were unable to run. So that's why, because in this ordinance we have issued in the interest of welfare of workers. I will explain little bit why. Because, as I have told you that the complaints or enforcement regarding the payment of wages, this is very important. That's why in this session I brought to repeal this ordinance and make it as a act to this bill. So that's why I definitely taking into consideration many of the members. Once again, I wanted to make it clear. I wanted to make it clear that I have got a very, very small insertion. That is, existing all wages shall be paid in current coin or currency notes or by check or by crediting the wages in the bank accounts of the employee. I am adding only this thing is, provided that the appropriate government may, by notification in the official gazette, specify the industrial or other establishment, the employer of which shall pay to every person employed in such industrial or other establishment the wages only by check or by crediting the wages in his account. This means including all the existing cash, currency, coin with checks and bank accounts. So that's why there should not be any misapprehension. And this will improve, as I have told you, this will improve the compliance of the labor, our laws, and other important aspects which many of our senior leaders they have expressed. This it applies to the organized and unorganized workers. It is not only for organized workers. I am happy that our senior member of the parliament, Masudhar Mishra, who is comparing that myself and his face is familiar and similar to us. आपको जैसे लोग बोलते हैं, मुझे भी बोलते हैं कि भाई एक गुजरात में एमपी है आपके जैसा है, लेकिन मैं उसको बराबर समझ जाऊं. लेकिन आप जो है काफी विषय बोले, लेकिन मैं आपको एक अपील के रूप में मैं बताना चाहता हूं कि ये सरकार आने के बाद बहुत से नए इनिशिएटिव्स में चले गए. आपने रिकॉर्ड्स के बारे में बताया, और रिकॉर्ड्स के बारे में और रजिस्ट्रेशन के बारे में और कॉन्ट्रैक्ट लेबर के बारे में, और आपने जो बताया आउटसोर्सिंग लेबर के बारे में, कंस्ट्रक्शन वर्कर के बारे में, सारी वर्कर के बारे में हमारा मंत्रालय ने काफी बेहतर तरीके से जो है चेंजेस लाया है. उसको भी मैं थोड़ी आपको बताना चाहता हूँ. लेकिन एक विषय पर जो हमारे आदरणीय सदस्य लोग बोल रहे थे कि हम लोग ने वर्कर्स का राइट्स को लिया जा रहा है. वर्कर्स का we are taking away the rights of the workers. On other hand, we are strengthening and giving more transparent manner. It is going to strengthening all his payment of wages, and that too the minimum wage. As minimum wage, our people are telling, in 11 years the minimum wage was not increased. This government, led by Narendra Modi ji, have increased the unskilled agriculture C category worker have increased to 42% in this year. And in that is agriculture worker, I have told, agriculture workers. And for the non-agriculture workers have increased to 350 rupees. Number one. Let me complete. See, please. अब मैं बताऊं.
Let him complete.
मैं बताऊं.
Bhattacharya ji,
our friend must
He
know.
is not yielding.
Our friend, you see, central sphere. And labor is on the concurrent list. Many honorable members, they spoke. They spoke. I patiently heard. Because labor is on the concurrent list. My limitation, you can understand. And always, from my ministry, many advisories have been sent. I have written many letters to the chief ministers, labor ministers. In spite of that, the proper enforcement mechanism is to be built. Proper enforcement mechanism is to be built. And other important aspect which I wanted to, because my government is sensitive even for the Bonus Amendment Act. This government, led by Narendra Modi ji, have increased the bonus of a worker of a calculation from 3,500 to 7,000 rupees have increased. And that too their coverage also from 10,000 to 21,000 rupees have increased. So minimum wage, bonus, and you are all well aware in this house, the maternity benefit. Our Vijayasai Reddy Garu was telling, it is meant for all, women and men, all. There will not be any gender, this thing. But particularly in the Maternity Benefit Act, have enhanced maternity benefit from 12 weeks to 26 weeks. So this is the government, the very sensitive government. And other important aspect in this demonetization, our Raja Garu also, our Rajaji was mentioning. Many issues are there, but I don't want to go to much details. But particularly, my major concern will be unorganized sector. Unorganized sector, which constitute 93% of the workforce. Approximately in the country, as Chairman sir, the 40 crore people are there. 40 crore people are there. The first time, our government, the major, as you are all concerned about the construction workers. There are 4 crore 70 lakh construction workers are there. So we have changed them from informal sector to formal sector. Now all the registration, all the construction workers registration is going on in the country. All the states are in the line, and our ministry also, our EPFO, as you are telling about the BD workers. In BD workers, even the construction workers, we are enrolling with the bank accounts. Number also, I will later on tell you. But thing is, another important initiative which our government is going to take, because our Narendra Modi ji has specifically said that more concern should be the social security. Social security to the worker. But that's why we are coming out for agriculture worker to all other unorganized workers. We are going to give a UWIN card. A UWIN card which will be portable, and this will give an identity card, and this is going to avail all the social security benefit to the workers. This is one of the major change which is going to change. We are going to give identity card to all the workers in a phased manner. And other important thing is our schemes. As you said, scheme workers, Anganwadi worker, Asha worker, midday meal worker. These workers also, we are thinking to get them into the social security network. So that's why the other many issues which were put forth, but recently in the demonetization, our ministry, labor ministry, my labor ministry, we have, why after this ordinance has come, when this ordinance has come, I have taken a review meeting and I have ordered by all officials, go to the states, sit with the respective state governments, and my EPFO, my ESIC officer, and I'm happy to inform you that all my officers have gone to the all states, have a review meetings with the state governments, and in which we have started my ministry, we have started this banking account. As far as camps are concerned, we have conducted 1,46,711 camps we have conducted, labor camps, in which bank accounts are opened in our EPFO, ESIC new bank account, 48,58,699 new bank accounts have been opened in this demonetization period. Because I want that my workers should get, total wages through a transparent manner. So that's why I am very happy to announce I went to Assam, where the Assam government, Assam Chief Minister, all the tree plantation workers, Madam our West Bengal, Madam was speaking, all the tea garden workers, they were made, all the officers were sent to the farms, and all workers' accounts have been registered, and when I was there, approximately 1,80,000 workers, farm workers, tea garden workers, but they were registered. So that's why I feel that if the bill is there, the government can do it. So we need the cooperation of all the state governments, and other important initiatives which are many. But my only suggestion to this House is that some of the people were telling that our enforcement agencies, Masudan Mishra ji was asking inspection and other things. And in this regard, the Section 20 is there. Under this Section 20, anybody violates, definitely it will convict by this act up to 6 months. So that's why the penal provision is there. The enforcement agencies, even for that enforcement agencies, the no inspection scheme has come. Sometime I will definitely take an opportunity and explain. But in the Inspector of Factories, under the Factories Act of 1948, this appropriate officer under this Act, they can employ or enforce this Act. So that's why I once again submit to the August House that whatever the in this and whatever the other important issues which we have mentioned, I have noted down all your suggestions, and any necessary changes necessary, I will do it.
Very good.
But thing is, it is a very simple one. Section 6, only 2 additions I have made. So in this, for which I have, once again, this will going to fulfill the vision of our Prime Minister dreams, and also Honorable our late Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar, who was dedicated his life for the workers' interest, and at the same time, our late Dattopant Thengdeji, who also entire his life is dedicated for the cause of these workers. So I definitely feel that if we pass this amendment of Payment of Wages Act, it will going to give a befitting this thing to for them also, I request once again
Okay.
to consider this bill, and as in the Lok Sabha, irrespective of all parties, wholeheartedly, they welcome, they supported it. So here also I request you to consider this bill.
Okay. Thank you very much. Motion already moved. No. No need.
Most of the state government which has created the construction labor welfare fund, there are 500 crore rupees lying with the Gujarat government alone. And there are number of a state which has this money lying with them of thousands of crores of rupees, which is not been spent by those state government for the welfare of the construction laborers who are been, who should get the benefit out of that. Sir, I request the minister just to take this up, especially for the welfare of a construction labor of the entire country.
Would you like to react? Okay. Consider it.
Honorable Mr.
Take it with the state government.
No, one only. Clarification I will give, sir. As he says, not only Gujarat, entire in the country, the cess amount which is collected by the respective state governments, about 26,000 crores.
You can take it with the state governments.
And the cess amount is with the state governments.
Yeah.
Collecting the amount. Thing is, they spent only 5,690 crores. So that's why the Supreme Court, a bill has gone to the Supreme Court, and the Supreme Court directed us, and we have taking regional conferences. Already I have twice meetings with the labor ministers. We have very seriously we have expressed to them no other misuse of this construction workers' money, and it should go to the workers' benefit and workers' welfare only. But we are going to all regional conferences. 6 regional conferences in the country I am conducting. Last year also I have conducted. This time already
Okay.
2 regional conferences I have completed. I will
You are at
definitely
it.
see that.
Yeah.
It should go to the workers.
Okay. He is at it. You can take it with the chief minister's also. Okay, thank you. Now motion is already moved. Question is that the payment of wages, Amendment Bill 2017, as passed by Lok Sabha, be taken into consideration. Those in favor, please say aye. Aye. Those against, please say no. I think the ayes have it, the ayes have it, the ayes have it. Motion is adopted. We shall now take up clause by clause consideration of the bill. Clauses 2 and 3 stand part of the bill. Those in favor, please say aye. Aye. Those against, please say no. I think the ayes have it, the ayes have it, the ayes have it. Clauses 2 and 3 are adopted. Clause 1, the enacting formula and the title stand part of the bill. Those in favor, please say aye. Aye. Those against, please say no. I think the ayes have it, the ayes have it, the ayes have it. Clause 1, the enacting formula and the title are adopted. Now, Minister may move that the bill be passed.
Sir, I beg to move that the amendment bill as passed by Lok Sabha be passed.
Motion moved that the bill be passed. Question is that the bill be passed. Those in favor, please say aye. Aye. Those against, please say no. I think the ayes have it, the ayes have it, the ayes have it. The bill is passed. Now we will take up yesterday